This video is about periodical maintenance of CO2 firefighting system and to be carried out by CO2 technician engineer. But before we start, if you are new in my channel, please like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for updates of my new uploaded video. For safety purposes, before airflow, interchange flange to blind flange in CO2 line going to engine room and to cargo holds. Disconnect the copper tubes and starter panel for engine room CO2, in CO2 room and in fire station. In fire station, inside the fire extinguishing system relay box, disconnect the wiring connection to emergency stop system to avoid shutting down of main engine and generator engines. After disconnecting the E2 terminal, copper tube connections to the starter panel, and interchanging the flange to blind flange, carried out air blow to the system and confirmed if air is coming out through the nozzle. Repeat the same procedures to all CO2 lines to all cargo holds.
ちょっと待ってパサとさあナンバー3チェッキングおナンバー3 This one open start all maybe 2 minutes or 3 minutes
Okay.
でcrew member all take
Go out. This one you should also open this one?
yeah one number 1 open
yes.
next number 2
Okay.
but very long で number 3 number 4
Okay.
yes
Wait.
Then this one about 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
30 seconds to 6
It's
to
just
1
like
minute.
like that.
Yes.
Yeah.
Then-
And also
yes,
that.
yes.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you very much.
you're welcome alarm have this one
Oh, okay, yeah.
like this
Yeah.
like this
Okay. This one open.
yes
Okay.
here and the
Yeah,
ship
okay.
yes
Have alarm.
this one
Okay.